到第4站咧，就係我哋嘅80蚊有票嘅呢個背景。
Hello everyone, welcome to my vlog. Today we are going to go to 日落上帝桥。My dad broke my mini too. 見到佛背山。Go over there. 包咗錢。The smallest museum I have been to in my life. Even prettier.
今日咧係2個景點。
Good morning everyone. The time now is 7:34 and it is breakfast time. And this is my noodle. And this is my second bowl of breakfast dumplings and veg. There are 4 types of cereal and I chose this cocoa. It is 8:35 on our way to our first destination.
漁輪吧，漁連吧咁漁輪吧咧係一個水壩唔係大型嘅水壩但係咧比較特色一層一層咁影相出嚟咧就好似背景又有啲山峰再加上咧呢個水壩如果有無人機嘅喺上面放嘅話，漁輪吧呢個係以前緩衝這個流水就修的一個水壩，讓那個水流不那麼急所以有第2個景點漁輪吧之後咧繼續坐車到第3站咧就係我哋江山魚刺道標嘅嗰個背景圖，會有一個相框可以喺呢個相框裏面影相。影完之後咧繼續坐車到第4站咧就係我哋嘅80蚊有票嘅呢個背景。
Even whilst going to the toilet, there are some views here. This toilet is so pretty. We are almost at the tourist attraction area. 呢個叫做大新居明道山水生態旅遊景點。To further strengthen the development of the village collective economy, continuously improve the hardware of tourism infrastructure and the software of cultural elements, enrich the tourism formats of the resort area, and enhance the tourist experience, and achieve the upgrading of Mingxi Tourist Resort. Together with successful entrepreneurs, jointly invested 2.12 million yuan in March 2023 to register and establish this place. 我们现在坐这个观光车，这里就是日落幸福桥。Just finished taking a photo of this reflection. 呢個係個橋，定係對面嗰個係個橋？
呢個係個橋。
So I decided to fly my drone there to let you see this beautiful scenery. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. 呢條橋完全變。This hill construction is quite cool. 我們現在到了漁輪吧，這裡就是漁輪吧了。Oh my gosh, my dad broke my mini too when he was helping me open it. So now there will be no drone clips for the rest of this trip. You can actually kayak. We're on our way to our next destination. 呢個景點叫咩名啊？
江山魚刺道標。
Wow, this person is busking here. Alright, 我呢張就係嗰個80 cents 嗰張郵票。Exactly， 就喺呢個位嘅。 就係河背山啦。And this is the 佛背山。真係好天啊，藍天白雲。哇！近距離見到佛背山，呢個都似駱駝喎。Goodbye, off we go to lunch. This is 龍口呢個就係德天跨國瀑布。We are now at 石龍小鎮and 德天麗水 is our restaurant.
呢個係牛肉。
有排骨雞湯、鴨肉。
呢個係走地雞。
天婦魚，哇！呢個菜咁得意嘅，呢個咩菜啊？野菜包肉。This is crispy roasted pork belly. 黃皮鴨青菜。Finished up our lunch, and I just noticed one of the uncles also loves hiking. So the whole lunch we were talking about Hong Kong's hills. We are now on our way to Detian Transnational Waterfalls. We have arrived. Apparently in 2026 there will be a new tourist attraction here, but we still have a few days until 2026. By the way, I just saw a sign that says no pets are allowed. There's a mini waterfall at the entrance, and the time now is 2:02 p.m. We are now on the sightseeing bus. We have arrived at the entrance of Detian Transnational Waterfalls. 現今飛無人機 My drone broke already anyways. Whoa, you can see the waterfall already. Just took a photo of this river and hills. 呢度就係界河竹潭。We're queuing up. Wow, this person has so much strength. Look at how many people there are here. There's a king that stops the boat. Waterfall. This is our ship. 哇！呢個就係德天跨國瀑布啦。原來呢啲就係頭先嗰個導遊叫我哋唔好買越南人嘅因為會罰錢嘅。Oh my God, there's a rich girl over there. 包咗錢。又話見到彩虹嘅，就話100%見到彩虹，彩虹在哪？Wow, this is the closest we can get to the waterfall. So there's actually a road up there. And we are going to get off here. If you don't take the boat, you can also walk it and take photos here. 呢度有個830度街飛。You will go forward. We're going to go to 5級觀景台。原來呢度係2級觀景台。We will go up to 1級觀景台。This waterfall looks like a flag. 背面就係越南嘅。So we are now near 紅谷廣場. It is right up here. There are people selling cigarettes here. I can see them behind here. That is one of the guys. And when you go up from that place where they sell the restricted cigarettes, there are some wooden decorations here. And we're gonna go up here. And we will now go up to this Thai trend. Okay, let's go to see this Việt Nam xuyên Nam xuyên Úc. Hàng 4個字，呢度有個蛙神巢穴啊，幾特別。呢度其中一個用途就係俾你避船。呢個就係個法棍博物館，呢啲就係越南特色嘅法棍。咩係越南法棍？就係越南嘅飲食文化。呢啲係一啲傳統小食，類似呢一啲嘅月餅。This is the smallest museum I have been to in my life. And then these are all selling Vietnamese food. 呢個就係頭先見到距離70米嘅越南酸啦。點解要烤到咁呢？9.9一個。There are even sausages. 你睇下，山歌好比春江水。你望下呢啲係越南嘅特色啊。If you like coffee, this is the place for you. 哦，呢個就係跨境界啊。Oh, and the reason why it's called 跨境界 is because after you go over this area, this is already Vietnam. So now we're gonna go up these stairs. And this is the shopping mall that our tour guide told us about. We are now in Detian. Wow, this is originally 70 renminbi per pack. They said now the discounted price is $198 for free. 睇下呢隻招財貓，使唔使買3隻幾尺風啊？3足蘇，咪係我哋2018年3足颱風。
個名。
Wow, they even sell these decorations. 哇，咁貴嘅，560 And we have come to the very end of this street. My sister said she wants to try some Vietnam food. Alright, and we are now gonna walk back to the entrance. Oh, there's a store called 万事 OK Store. And there's a mailbox here. Didn't notice this viewing point when we were walking here. 同心同夢，南疆國門。This feels even prettier. Gets even prettier. 你睇下呢啲油箱，呢個直接寄返去香港嘅，嗰啲係新疆。Oh my gosh, these two cartoons are so cute. And it's at the entrance. Wow, this is so creative. It says 北田，呢度係廣西邊海喺國家風景度。This is the place where we will take the shuttle bus back down. Cycle Cafe? Just like the cycle in Hong Kong. Bye, Detian.
蚊郵票嘅呢個背景啊。咁2004年咧，我哋中國國家地理呢個書咁啊喺我哋廣西咧就好勁啊，選邊陲風光。咩叫做邊陲風光咧？就係靠近邊境嘅啊呢種山山水水嘅風光。
We have to pass by this line 邊境洞察站
啊，即加上其他嘅山峰山有水啊。不過依家咧，2004年到依家係2025年，已經20幾年啦。啊，以前嘅水田咧已經變成係我哋種粟米嘅呢個地，肯定會有啲變化。仲有咧，我哋嘅明池村係一個風水寶地嚟嘅，當地咧就出咗好多嘅大學生啊。為咩出咗好多大學生咧？因為附近咧有好多座山峰，似呢個咩咧？似佛祖嘅後背，所以叫做佛背山。佛祖的後背坐在那裡的一個佛祖啊，那個背影啊，佛背山啊，哇！呢個又係佛背山，呢個又係佛背山，呢個又係佛背山，有3、4座佛背山啊，咁樣嘅風水寶地就出咗好多嘅讀書人、大學生。咁我哋咧就會喺呢邊影相，所以呢個明池田園咧就比較輕鬆休閒啊，就坐觀光車遊覽啊。之後我哋會去到石龍鎮，中午食完飯到德天瀑布就比較近啦，就半個鐘頭就到我哋嘅德天跨國瀑布，所以今日咧係兩個景點。
It is 7:09 p.m. and we are going to have dinner. This place is called 神左特色美食街。We are eating at this Vienna hotel. 呢個係牛肉咩手？要鋪
成瓜鴨肉啊！
應該係咩湯嘅？
然後杞子豬骨。
炒蛋、娃娃菜、切咗嘅西芹、cheesy roll 嘛？
對啊。
同埋 butterfly
真唔係啦
咩 fish 啊？
，spoon fish，有叫 spoon 啊。
有西瓜。We are back at the hotel. Just noticed this beautiful decoration. It is 8:25 p.m.